Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas, and I am a crocheter, but I do a lot of other things. But today I'm going to share a crocheting project that I made, and this I actually made for my sister because she loves cotton. So this is a nice big cotton afghan. It's not a Christmas present. I don't do Christmas presents. This is just for fun. But look how beautiful this is, and she loves cotton, and she has a very elegant home. And this is something that I wanted to make for her because she does a lot of nice things for me. But look how pretty this end is. I can't really give you a pattern because honestly, guys, I rate most of my patterns for myself. And so this one I actually laughed because it was a little tricky as I got working on it. So, I try to do patterns, but you can see it's a basic stitch, which is the woven stitch, which you can look up on Popple Backyard Farm. Just type in Popple Backyard Farm and woven stitch, and you'll see how to do this one. And then on the ends, I just kind of made up the pattern. And I think it came out really elegant and really beautiful. I do not sell anything. I don't have an Etsy store or anything like that. I just do this for fun. I do it for my personal enjoyment. But isn't this a beautiful blanket? I was just so happy. I just love it. So anyway, you can tell I'm out of breath. I've been running around here. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, go on over to my video that tells you what Vlogmas is. If you aren't a part of that, come on board. Everybody on YouTube should do Vlogmas. It's a lot of fun. But here you go. So this is my special gift to my sisters. My one sister. I like to do things every once in a while for different people, as, like I said, sometimes it's just little things I just do for whatever reason. But this I'm doing for her. And look, isn't it just beautiful? It's just so elegant. This would be perfect for a wedding. I'll make some more things like this, guys, and I'll get you a nice pattern for it so you guys can just do it and have fun with it. But as you can see, I just did the woven stitch, and then I did a pretty border. And a lot of you that do crochet, you can kind of see how this can go for you and how elegant that looks. So anyway, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.